Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to my daily video updates about my woodworking. I've completed all the joining and cutting parts. It's all completed and it's right there. It does look a little familiar, don't you think? But I can wholeheartedly assure you guys that I don't live near any beach and these are not barricades. Only original gamers, OG, they know what I'm talking about. Or if you're a history major, you know what I'm talking about. And if you are not both, you can simply Google July 6, 1944, Normandy, Omaha Beach. Ooh, gives me the shivers. There you go, a little bit of history you learned today. Well, what can I say? My videos and my channel is a little bit of fun, a little bit of educational, and mostly fun. Yeah, and mostly fun. Anyway, coming back to our woodworking topic, all the joints I did today, these are all just temporary. I just did it for the sake of showing you guys. I am going to take them apart, do some finishing touches, and then put them back together. And I'm not going to use screws or nails. Like a true woodworker, I'm going to use dowels. No, not your face wiping towel, but wooden dowels. And today I'm going to show you how to make wooden dowels made out of bamboo. So, let's go.
One eternity later.
This is an 8mm drill bit. This is the wooden joints and we're going to drill with this on 2 different points and we're going to fix them with the dowels of this size. And in order to make this size, we will use bamboo. This is just a piece of bamboo scraps of required size. Cut it into pieces, shape it round into the shape of the drill bit and of the same size. And we're going to use it to fix this joint. So let's start. Now I've cut this down to a rough size. And now I'll take a knife and gently shave it off into a cylindrical shape and also down to the right size of this drill bit. Now it's very important that you compare the size before you shave off too much of the material from the bamboo. My technique is compare the size, shave a little bit off, compare the size, shave a little bit off, and so on, so that I do not get it too small, because if you get it too small you have to restart it again. We still got a lot more to go. And the way I do it is, on camera it just looks like I'm shaving it off on one side alone, but as I shave it off, I'm slowly turning the material with my other hand, the one that I'm holding it in, and I'm just shaving it away on the same location while the material is being rotated. I can actually show it in slow motion. You just shave one off, turn a little bit, shave one off, turn a little bit, shave one off, turn a little bit, and so on. As you continue to do so, you will get this cylindrical shape, just like the drill bit. And yes, of course, you'll need to have a little bit more practice in order to do that. And I've been doing this for a very long time, so I don't even have to check on much. Just eyeball it a little bit and continue. Now the end is of the exact size of the drill bit, and we did only one end, and this is the entire length of the bamboo stick. We have to remove this all. Now this is fairly easy. Once you get one side of the size, all you have to do is start from the back. Remember, this is the original size, so you have to start from here and shave it down. And the good thing about bamboo is the grains run straight along the length. Not like wood, it's not twisted, it's not warped, it's all straight. So once you get a few bits of this waste materials out, you can just pull it off and tear it off. And it's not gonna cost any major removal of the material. Now you can go a little bit harder and faster. So now this bamboo dowel is of the exact size. We can start using this. Now this one is done, and we have a lot of joints to go with, and this alone is not going to be enough, so I'm gonna make with all the rest of this. You've already seen making one. I think that's enough. You don't need to see all the rest of the video because it's going to be an hour long, 2 hours long. I'm going to be doing this all day, and if you didn't know how to make dowels like this, well, now you know. Well, that's it for today. Like, share, subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Bye.